I was talking to an Amazon seller the other day. He does okay, to the tune of about 5K a month, something like that. He's just getting started. He's new to the platform. And he asked me, since I've seen so many sellers over the years, what tends to make the difference between the sellers who start and don't really make it to the sellers who, are doing 7 figures a year, top line rev, taking home good money? What's the difference? And it really comes down to the product. You can have the best marketing in the world, but if your product is substandard, you'll get bad reviews. The market will find out eventually. The truth always comes out. And then even the best advertising campaigns in the world can't save you, because, if you have reviews in like a 4-star average, your conversion rate tanks. So it's really about the product. But specifically, to sort of layer onto that, I've noticed a weird trend that people don't really talk about, but I think it's products that you can't readily find in big box retail stores, because the consumer psychology goes something like this. And I just released live Amazon FBA product research for one of our new videos, and we looked at some categories like accessories to build model train sets and food for exotic pets like sugar gliders. Where else are you going to find this stuff? If you're the consumer and you have, a hedgehog at home, like one of these exotic pets or a sugar glider, are you going to risk going to Walmart or Walgreens only to find out that they don't have the specific type of pet food that you need? Or you're just going to go online and search for it? If it's something that you can drive 15 minutes to go get, you're now competing against all of those local sellers. And remember, over 75% of all commerce is still done in person in brick and mortar retail. So it's not like, online is the majority of sales. It's not, right? So when we think about how to get the advantage selling online and how to get the advantage selling on Amazon, we would really want products that cannot be bought in local big box retail very easily. Maybe you find a local specialty store if you're lucky, but for the vast majority of Americans, they're not going to be able to find this in retail at all. And in addition, if it's something like model train sets that people tend to obsess over and spend hundreds of dollars on over their lifetime, and it really becomes a part of their identity, you can get a lot of great spend, a lot of recurring revenue, and true brand loyalty. I wrote a free book on exactly how to build up one of these businesses because there's so many moving parts. We've mastered the advertising and the listing optimization, so I took years and years of experience and summarized those into a book, and I'll share it with you now in the comments. It's totally free, so go grab a copy and use it to build your business. I hope that happens for you. See you soon.